One of the reasons why many people hate US and people like them is because they are the only people who have every evidence, to understand why people choose not to take it lightly with anybody carrying flag in the name of agitating for Biafra without doing anything meaningful. The torment and the torture and the humiliation that our people are facing on a daily basis from Nigerian army is second to none. I intentionally allow this video so that you will be seeing that this is a masquerade. Mowo na Igbo. You know what that means in Igbo culture. And somebody from another tribe is here punishing and destroying the Mowo to the extent of telling the guy to remove the masquerade, costume and start cutting grass. This is something that everybody can see. DOS and their group pretend they don't see it. Look at your masquerade in Igbo land, not in Abuja or in Lagos. In Igbo land, Nigerian army. What is the offense of this? Knowing that the people who cannot differentiate with culture and tradition, they don't understand it. Even if they do, just to humiliate you, to tell you that you are being conquered. Look at them. Now, I'm going to allow the video to play so that it will get you understand the anger in the minds of the people. What does this has to do with you as an army to do your job? But here, this is one is just normal punishment too. Do you know that if this guy resists, they will buy him? And when you hear the voice of this army on this video, some of you that grow up in village will feel disappointed. Now hear this.
Masquerade, pump your jaw now, give up. Masquerade, guy. This masquerade, masquerade, sir. How is your moral? You cannot answer. Masquerade, how is your moral? How is your moral? How is your moral? Masquerade. Now you come to clear grass. Say you don't get juju again. You don't get juju again. Don't worry. By the time I'm done with you, even your masquerade will use you and run away. Even your masquerade will see me and say, "Tuani Baba." Do you understand me? You cannot answer. You understand me? Masquerade. How is your moral? How is your moral? Shout my head. Shout thank God. Are you a baptized? Is it speaking Igbo with you? I'm up your job. Close your eyes. Next time, you not speak Igbo with you. You understand? Sorry, sir. Now, start matching. I'm even talking. So, am I speaking Igbo with you? No, sir. Seems you are a bastard, bro. So, continue.
So, let me allow them. Just wait. So what again do you call humiliation apart from this? This is just one. There's other ones are so terrible to play here because of the sake of the owner of the platform, and because if not, you will see more information. Just hold on. So this is one of the reasons why nobody takes US serious. These are, protecting. Even governors understand that the army are not reliable. That's why they decided to form a bag to destroy everything, because they said that they are maintaining structure. They forgot that the Ebubagu is meant to commit crime, that they're going to attack that crime, that you are the one. I don't know how we explain this for people to understand. I'm not saying this for DS to change you, because some of them understand this, but some don't. Some of them don't. Some of them don't have the brain to connect the dots. Everybody must not be the same. But you understand what I'm saying? The humiliation and the torture is second to none. That is why even people from other tribes can relate the pain of an average Igbo person. But the so-called Igbos don't relate anything. Look at this young man. No matter what, at least you should know that he's in his father's land. But Army said no, because they told them in barrack on their military school that this region is a conquered region. Can he do this in Sokoto? To any Fulani, any culture, anything at all? Even in Yoruba land, they can't do. Anyway, my people, let me just share this because let me share this video so that you hear what Bini person said. I want you to watch this video and you understand the anger. Just pay attention to the anger in the man's face and his voice. You will know how people feel when DOS and the activities and the promise is being mentioned.
They want to consume it all. That's why I say some to take one. They take one injection, you affect them all. They conclude and say, you're a woman. Two, you affect them. Or you go knock them down because they are brain dead. Now, let's even assume a discover enemy is a defeated enemy. I did a lot of series of classes here. That this thing they affect brain. Why not go and think before you pick up anything at all? First go look and don't always check the action. What is the motive behind this very thing? Do you know this freedom where they talk so? They done useless DOS. They don't know say that DOS already knows that they go down the drain. Now DOS, now they brainwash some other alien, people like so or so, now they brainwash them. Hope say Biafra no come. If they pay DOS, say that party they sell on the camera. The Biafra liberation and I strong pass. Now pay the pain them. Not that Biafra is not going to come. They have been following everything by law. They follow everything strictly by law. The kind of military force we're supposed to get, ammunition we're supposed to get before you can say you want to declare your independence, they've already gotten it already. That's why they have government in Ezra, not by the UN charter. UN know better. So they are doing everything constitutionally. So don't let anybody brainwash you. I know a lot of this year have not really come to a lot of cyberspace because of the DO animal. Now front that side, but cause DOS, go see and front that side. I scattered them. Go look at Ifa Ejofo. He be like person where they see Jedi. Ifa Ejofo was part of the board of Sodom and the Kano. He was not a lawyer to know, they sold him out. Also look at the story of Joseph in the Bible. The brother, they sold him. Does that stop him from becoming a prime minister? That don't stop him. We read Bible, we read everything, we read parable, yeah, we don't get sense. When they allow the oil they use on our head, Methuselah, a vaccinated moron in Austria. If they brainwash all of una. Do you know how much federal government pay them? Make them go swear if they don't collect bounty for una the kind of oil they sell.
Exactly.
Make them go swear.
Exactly.
I'm not even let to more bug now. I go just call Amadioha. He go appear for inside this water. Me as someone, but I'm not led. Live on our conscience. Make the OS come swear. If they don't collect money, they sold on the Kano. Nigerian government paid them in collaboration with Una the Kano's wife. Okay. They sell him. Okay. OP said that will bring an end to Biafra liberation. That's why they are using Nigerian fake media now to make sure they procrastinate, to discourage you. May you come and look and say now like government. They're not doing it to us for those states. I will not be this idiot with the America. Where go betray us. They play with these people today. We don't know why me I don't enough you play. These were the same people who fought us when we were in PFA. We were doing very well. But today now these idiots from America, they don't buy our over now. He's now playing a dirty and useless politics. If you want to know how politicians can be useless, go down my platform, you go know how idiotic a father can be. The same thing they did. Don't what they are doing to Samuel today. They did it to him.
So before we end this video, after listening to what Edoman said, I believe it makes sense to you. Now, this is another activities of Ebubago, okay, and security forces in Nigeria. Why, like I said, one of the reasons why I am sharing this is not to do you any harm, but for you to understand that the propaganda and those who claiming that they are fighting for Biafra, at the same time they are behind the scenes celebrating with the death of their brother, why tagging that the cause of their death on Simon Ekpa. This is why I felt that it will be very bad for everybody just to keep quiet without saying the truth, what you know. If you have followed this platform, I keep on saying that people in our land knows what is going on and what they're going through. Now, hear this shocking information, and your eye will be cleared. Listen, just hear this. Just hold on. So that is it. That is so. This is when you hear people saying that, oh, can you swear that Simon Ekpa boys is doing this? Ndị na-akwụkwọ ha nọkwa na South Africa, ha nọkwa na mba ọzọ na-akọ, but ndị nọ n'ụlọ na-agwa gị na ife na-emenụ. So this one, is it Simon Ekpa's boy? Is it Ekwefo? I don't want to say much, but if you have ear, hear. If you don't have, now you sabi. I don't do my own. Bye bye.